So Henry and Jackie were at town A and town B respectively, 39 kilometers apart. Henry started driving towards town B at a speed of 65 kilometers per hour. So if we have town A and town B, it's a distance of 39 kilometers apart. Henry started driving towards town B, so he was going in the direction of town B at a speed of 65 kilometers per hour. 6 minutes later, Jackie started driving towards town A, and eventually they passed each other at the midpoint of town A and B. So they will meet somewhere here at the midpoint. And before they meet, Henry was driving alone for 6 minutes. So we have the time and the speed. We can then find the distance traveled, 65 kilometers per hour at 6 minutes. So that is 6 over 60 of an hour. And multiplying that out, we have a distance traveled of 6.5 kilometers by Henry over here. Okay, this is after the 6 minutes where he traveled alone. 6.5 kilometers. Now we know that they met at the midway point, so we can find what's the distance for a midway of 39 dividing by 2. That gives us 19.5 kilometers. So this half here would be 19.5, which is the distance that Jackie traveled when he started when he left town B. And for Henry, this remaining distance here will be 19.5 subtracting off 6.5, which would be 13 kilometers. Right? So when both of them started traveling towards each other, Henry traveled at 13 km while Jackie traveled 19.5. So in the same amount of time, Henry covered this distance and Jackie covered this distance. So we can form the distance ratio for Henry and Jackie. The distance ratio for the same amount of time, Henry covered 13 and Jackie covered 19.5. Simplifying this, we have a ratio of 2 to 3. So we can now convert this distance ratio into speed ratio, which would remain as 2 to 3. So if we know that Henry's speed was 65, then Jackie's speed will basically be 65 dividing by 2 and multiplying by 3, which will give our answer of 97.5 kilometers per hour.